Let's find out if this mini brand fridge is worth the hype. Let's unbox this with Bianca together.
To open mini brand fridge.
Okay, open it. Do you need help? Are you sure you don't need help? There you go. Oh, it even has a UV light. Okay, so it has exclusive mini minis, one ice scoop, and a fridge magnet. Okay, go. Oh, it's gonna take you forever. How about I just help you? Okay, here. You hold the camera. Oh, look at it. No. So this one's this way and there. What's in it? Oh, it lights up. That is so cute. Got like these little bags, like surprise bags, right? And you got these. What is this? Like a little bowl? No, wait. What is this? Okay, let's see. What else do we have in there? Are they? Oh my god, can I see? They're so tiny. Guys, look at these tiny. Is that oranges? Are you sure those oranges? Maybe those are tangerines. Okay, what else? You have a lot of mini brands, so you could fill up that fridge with your stuff. What about the other one? See, you still got something in there. A scoop? Aww. Hold on, I'm trying to get the, oh, what is that? A magnet? Fridge for the fridge?
Yeah.
Why can't I get this out? Okay. What's that? You know what? We should look for your other mini stuff, like mini brands, and fill up this fridge with your stuff. Oh, so you know what? That's for the fridge. It's like more stuff to build the fridge. Yeah. Good job. Wait, I think you did this one wrong, actually. Wait, don't move it, okay? Alright, now. This is for eggs. It holds eggs. Okay guys, so this is what was in there. These shelves for the fridge and this thing. Where does this go? I think. There you go. And oh, we could probably put a drink in here. Oh, there was 3 oranges. Just gotta look for it. It has to be something. There. And one more. Let's get there. We'll go. There. All done. Hello. It's okay, you could put it back inside. So you could go get like your mini stuff and fill up your fridge. Okay, so Bianca already has one fridge that's a little bit bigger, but here's the mini brands one, and she's gonna fill it up with some of her stuff. Okay. Show us the things you have. Okay, so it's like water bottle. Okay. What is that? A scoop? Okay. What is that? That's an A. Can I see? Some pancakes. Some vegetables. Can I see it? These are fruit. Oh, it's broccoli. Okay. What is that? Mac and cheese. Cute. What is that one? Let's see. Ooh, pizza. Bianca likes pizza. I like pizza too. Okay, can I see his fridge now? Some ramen noodles. Doesn't fit? No, I think it's too big. It's okay, we'll find other stuff. Just can't find them now, but Bianca's gonna look for more of her mini brands, right? I'm gonna fill up the fridge. But for now, she just has a few things in there. Can you open both doors from the fridge? Open it. Okay, let's see. So cute. Oh, it fits there? Okay. Okay, so not only does the fridge light up like a normal fridge would, but you could also press this button here, or not actually press, but push it down, and then you guys, it turns to a UV light, which is so cool. Because if you are buying those mini bears that you have to build something, it comes with the glue, it'll help it dry up.
Subscribe to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.